Let me introduce you to the bloom frame, a window that transforms into a balcony in just 55 seconds with just a push of a button. It's a game changer for urban apartments as it instantaneously provides city dwellers an outdoor space and fresh air, which is greatly needed during a pandemic. This modern multi-purpose window with an innovative and multi-award winning design is no longer a prototype but is blooming in full production. You can walk out on it, pull up a chair, sip a cocktail, take in the sights, and soak up the sunlight and fresh air. From quaint buildings in Amsterdam and Paris to high-rises in Beijing, Brisbane and New York, the bloom frame can add a new and exciting twist to urban architecture. Bloom frame can be installed in private homes, apartments, offices and hotels, regardless if it's a renovation or new construction. Created by Amsterdam-based architecture firm Hofman du Jardin, the blue frame window is manufactured by Portal P France and installed by Schipper Kozijnen, Netherlands. Watbo Bloom Frames contractor is responsible for the construction of the total project. The first model was successfully installed in an apartment building in Amsterdam in 2017. Bloom frame comes in several sizes: L, XL and XXL. The dimensions for the L are 1700mm width by 2400mm height, and the XL 2300mm width by 2400mm height, and the XXL 3000mm width by 2400mm height. The standard depth of the balcony is 1050mm. While the bloom frame should be used during optimal weather conditions, it's important to close it when it's raining. When closing it, the remaining water on the glass surface won't leak indoors, but will instead be drained outdoors. This is due to its small gutter which deflects the runoff towards its drainage holes. In the event of a power failure, the bloom frame window will continue to function. It's equipped with a tubular motor that's positioned horizontally above the upper crosspiece of the bloom frame, in the inside of the house and behind a protective cover. The motor is controlled by a specially developed electronic system, and it has a manual emergency override system to open or close the bloom frame. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.